Here we go.
Oh, look, they're still cleaning as we're going in. Still cleaning. But you want Mama? You want Mama? Okay, they just spent 20 minutes cleaning.
I know, they're really nice.
So I like this one here. Should we give them 10 instead of...
Yeah.
Can you get it to them old maybe here? Ooh, is that fun, honey? Look at that, we're going to a rainstorm. Here comes the spaghetti noodles. Wait! Look, they're red and blue. Can you see red and blue? Can you see red and blue? Yeah. Oh, now it's going to be like nighttime for a minute. See? It's just like nighttime, honey. Don't be scared. Look at the spaghetti. Look at you. He's getting a selfie. Oh, now here's the super duper rollers. Like a toothbrush. Look, look like a toothbrush. You ever pull that in? Is that cool? Yeah, isn't that neat? Yeah. Oh, look, she likes it. She likes it. Oh, look, we're getting the super duper soap. Here comes the soap. Look, 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 baby. Oh, yeah, look. Okay, all right, we're a little scared, noisy. I got you, it's okay. It's okay, Mama's got you. Look, now here we go, Blue. Oh, look, that's Cinderella's long hair. Not Miss Cinderella, what's her name? Rapunzel's hair. Oh, Rapunzel's let down her hair. You can clean out her window. Look. Oh, that's fun. Look at that. Oh, and now we're going to get the rain. You know, okay, we're okay. Now we're in a rainstorm. Oh, rain, go away. Come again, another day. And then we're going to get the blowers. This is the big, great big wolf one. Blow, blow your house. Yeah. Good. It's a big wolf. So big. Eat it, honey. Oh, it's going on our house, but it can't blow us down. We're a big car. Can't blow us down. It's dry as night. Oh, there we go. Ah, there we go. There we go. Okay, so push her up, and then we get to go and sit the gear. Then we have to answer it through you now. Oh, there's baby. Baby, the big ride rider.